Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going back into Tekton Tools. If you've watched my channel before, you already know that I absolutely love Tekton Tools. I've been using them for over 5 years now, and I've really enjoyed them, and I really love sharing them with you guys because I believe them to be one of the best companies, not just by the tools that they produce, but how they interact with their customers. Tekton Tools really actually listens to their customers. They're not like any other company I've ever dealt with before. When they hear something that a customer doesn't like about their tools, they're constantly re-engineering, redesigning, and re-releasing new tools because they want to hear that their customers love their tools. So let's say, I want to say it was closer to 10 years ago, Tekton had an issue with their chrome plating that people didn't like, or the finish on their wrenches. And now that is not an issue today because they re-released them. They have one of the best chrome jobs on their ratchets and wrenches that I've ever seen on any tools, which is fantastic. But not just that, they've re-released a lot of other things. They used to have the classic, design ratchet that you see everywhere, 72 tooth. Now they have a slim, strong 90 tooth design, and they've integrated more features into them. They've also re-released a lot of their tools, but now made in the USA, so they're bringing a lot more stuff back to the USA. They can't do it all at once, but over time, I'd say over the last 3 years, I've seen over 20 products re-released at a much better quality or brought back to the United States. So that's fantastic. And then that, Tekton also has not just best customer service, or do they listen to their customers better than basically any other tool company I've ever dealt with, but they're also extremely affordable compared to other tool companies, and they have one of the best warranties on the market. It's a no hassle warranty. Tell them what happened, maybe submit a picture if something broke, and right there the next business day they're shipping it out to you. It's extremely easy. They make it as easy as possible to get you that new tool. So I have a handful, maybe 3 handfuls of items here that I own. And this isn't everything. I'll do a video on all of my Tekton tools soon, but I'm gonna show you everything that I have right here, just to show you the lineup of some of the stuff they have, and then I'll bring you into the site, and we're gonna go over all of the things that Tekton has released basically in the last 3 years, things being released this month, things that were released last month, and things to come in early 2021. So I really hope you guys enjoy. If you guys are interested in any of these items that I show you, they will be linked down in the description for you guys. And if you guys enjoy, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Let's get into this. So this is just a portion of what I have in my collection of the Tekton tool lineup. So I've had these for quite a few years, probably 4 to 6 years. They're stubby wrenches. Absolutely love these. I don't use stubby wrenches all that often, but they are nice when I do need them. These are the standard combination wrenches, not the ratcheting portion. They do have those available. I also have some of the USA made pliers. Really enjoy those. Really affordable as well. I also have some of Tekton's other pliers as well. I really like these long reach duck bills. Then they have their new ratchet designs, 90 tooth. They have long, they have non-quick release, they have quick release, they have flex head. A lot of different options with their new 90 tooth lineup, 1/4 inch, and they even have new 3/4 inch ratchets. I don't use them, those are 72 tooth still, but still upgraded from their previous design. And here are some of their 1/4 inch ratchets. They also released some USA made screwdrivers with the black oxide tips. They also have this available in chrome tips now, and we'll get into that in the video. They also released this new hard square handle design. This is for their 6-in-1 drivers, like this, really nice, all USA made. I have some of their 12-point 1/4 inch sockets because I needed that for some work on the Camaro. I have their brass hammer. I have some of their USA made punches and some of their larger USA made punches and chisels. Have their 1/4 inch torque wrench. I needed this for miscellaneous small things on the Camaro as well. That came in handy. I also have their impact screwdriver. This is a comfort grip that I designed myself, and I'm going to build another one to see how it comes out. But that's really just a quick look at some of the tools I have from Tekton. This is their long double box end wrenches. Really nice lineup of tools here. So let's go ahead and get into some of their new products, and I really hope you guys enjoy. All right, YouTubers, so we are going to run through this pretty quickly. So Starting off, we have Tekton's socket sets, which they've introduced the 90 tooth ratchets into, and they have included the new master bundle, which is a quarter, 3/8, and half-inch drive sets all together, and you do end up saving money when they are all combined, so that is a nice touch. It's a 213 piece set, 5/32 through 1 and 5/16 inches SAE, and 4mm through 32mm for the metric side. You also get a breaker bar, ratchets, extensions, all of that, but without a lot of those unnecessary accessories. And then here are just some of their other sets. You can see they're priced very well. And they do have 3/4 inch drive sets as well. And then they have their socket sets now with their new rails, which are made in the USA. And they do have labels for them and accessories as well. So you can buy them individually without the rails, anything like that. So a wide variety of different socket sets available. They also have their universal joint sockets as well, and their rails individually, or you can buy them on the trays. This is what I have, and I absolutely love it. It comes with 1/4 inch, 3/8, and half-inch drive. You can buy the tabs if you want the entire 3-rail system to be half-inch or 3/8 or whatever you want. You can change this rail system up, and each one of those individual rails does slide out, so you can grab a whole rail and go. They also have this adapter, which allows you to put extensions or ratchets in there to hold it with your sockets. Next up, we have their impact sockets. So they have released new half-inch drive sockets, impact sockets, and they're getting ready to upgrade their 3/8 drive to the new design as well. So if you're looking at saving a little bit of money, everybody already loves the Tekton impact sockets for the price point and quality that you get. They've done some improvements and re-released the half-inch drive already. The 3/8 is still the old design where it's just laser etching on the impact sockets, but come January 2021, they will be introducing the new 3/8 drive impact sockets. So the price will go up a little bit. They will still be reasonably priced, but they will be a little bit more expensive, and the sets will be a little bit different. But if you're looking at their new design and you want that stamped stuff, here is a very complete set, 87 pieces for half-inch drive. These are 6-point, and they're going to have the laser etching here. Here's the sizes that you're going to get, 8 through 32mm, both shallow and deep, and 5/16 through 1 1.25 inches for shallow and deep. So here are the two designs that you're going to get. You're going to get that laser etching as well as a stamp, just in case that laser etching does ever come off. So a lot of improvements, not just with the markings, but they work with both the hog ring and the detent. And now they're not all chrome vanadium. You do have some chromoly sockets as well, and it will show you exactly what is made of what. So definitely some improvements on the material as well, not just the size markings. Here's just a quick look at some of the new half-inch drive socket sets, which have the new size markings, the new material, and the set sizes. There are a lot of new sets available, so a lot of different size sets now. Prices are still very reasonable. You can buy them individually. They do have 3/4 inch sockets as well. And then they also released their new bit sockets. This is something they re-engineered and redesigned. It is no longer a single material. It is dual material, so it is stronger. It is hard to find a good set of bit sockets, and here they've improved upon their design a lot. Just take a look at the design now. You got S2 steel for the bit, and it is a permanent fit, press fit into the chromoly socket now. So, and then you get the laser etching and stamped as well. So good improvements on the bit sockets. So here are the new 90 tooth ratchets over the old 72 tooth ratchets. They're going to be slimmer, stronger, and they include flex heads, quick release, non-quick release. And then they're going to have a new 3/8 drive folding ratchet. So that's kind of a cool design. We'll see what that is like once it is released. It is coming soon, as you can see here. But the new design of the ratchets are amazing compared to the old standard 72 tooth. You have the bent handle, flex head, long standard length, sets. They don't have any details on this yet. It's still coming soon, so this is the information that we have available now, but it will be good for a lot of awkward situations. So this is something I haven't seen before. So that is something to look forward to as far as another ratchet coming soon. Other than that, I'll just show you some quick details on the ratchet that they share with us. I love the handle design, the new 90 tooth gear, much more compact. Overall, a really well built ratchet. I've really enjoyed mine over the last year or so that I've had them, and a lot of specs are given on them. So they have a huge lineup of wrench sets that go all the way up to 50 millimeter or 2 inches, and their angled wrenches are going to be made in the USA, as well as their crow's feet, and we'll take a look at those in just one second. So here are just some of their combination wrench sets, various different sizes. You can get them with the rails, without rails, in sleeves. If you're somebody that works, you know, maybe a traveling mechanic, or you need something for the vehicle. Here are their USA made angle wrenches. Very, very popular, I'd say, for the first year and a half. They were actually sold out constantly. As soon as sets came in, they were sold out. Very nice USA made angled wrenches, especially for a really, really good price. Once again, all of these products will be linked down in the description on my Amazon link labeled tools. Otherwise, if you are looking for something that's not in that list, you can easily go to the Tekton website. Once again, if you create an account with them, you get free shipping on all your orders, as well as 10% back in rewards. So if you spend $100, you'll get $10 on the Tekton website to spend on something else. So that is a really nice feature as well. Reversible ratcheting wrenches, flex head ratcheting wrenches, a good variety of wrenches here. And I've used their ratcheting wrenches, their double box end wrenches, their standard combination wrenches, stubby wrenches, and I've enjoyed all of them. And then they have their new crow's feet in 3/8 drive. And then coming, I believe, February of 2021, they will be releasing their new half-inch drive USA made crow's feet. So just like this, but it will be half-inch drive. So you'll have some larger sizes. And then here you have an organizer, but you can also get it with various other organizers, or you can just get them by themselves without an organizer. But the price is really just a couple dollars difference. So next up are their screwdrivers, which are all going to be now made in the USA. In the previous years, they did have screwdrivers that weren't USA made. Now their entire screwdriver, nut driver, Torx, all of that is USA made. This is their high torque application, and they just released these really large sets, which include not just screwdrivers, but their nut drivers and Torx and square and hex and all of that now. So a really, really good lineup here, all made in the USA. And now it's not just the black oxide. You can now get it in a chrome finish. So for the black oxide, it is going to be $200 for the set. For the chrome, it is going to be $250 for the set. Now this is the largest set that they have available. These are some of the most comfortable tri-lobe high torque screwdrivers I've ever used. The handle design looked really weird to me at first, but after actually getting my hands on them, they're extremely comfortable. So as you can see, they have a wide variety of sets pre-built, or you can buy them individually and build your own set. And then they also have their new 4-sided hard handle, once again made in the USA. Really comfortable as well, more of that classic design. And this is available in black oxide and chrome as well, and various sets with those, just like the high torque handle. And then moving into their multi-bit drivers. Right now you can see they have a deal going on, free with a $75 order. You can pick whichever one you want. Multiple different arrangements. You can get it in red handle or black handle. And then you can also buy each part individually. So they have stubbies here, which are new. As you can see, very affordable. And you can buy the handles individually, the nut driver tube individually, and the bits individually as well. Now, for the multi-bit drivers, the tube and the bits are not going to be made in the USA, but the handles themselves will be made in the USA. Now, as of right now, they do not have any new pliers or pry bars, but in the last few years, they have included USA-made pliers and USA-made pry bars, so those are new items as well if you want to check those out. But we're going to move into the toolboxes that were recently released, and these are very heavy duty, and they are actually made in Canada. Just a quick look through of one of the toolboxes. They are nice and deep. This one is 24 inches deep. And then looking at some of the specs, max drawer load for each is 400 pounds, 3,600 pounds total. Here's the drawer layout. You can see it has that industrial style drawer, heavy duty slides, and you can actually get inserts for these to keep things separated, which slide into these slots here. 100% opening, lift handles, carriage style. So this is why the drawers can support so much weight. And then here we have the new USA made punches and chisels. I have this punch set here, as well as these alignment punches and these chisels here. But as you can see, they have new sets available, a wide variety of sets, and very, very affordable. Once again, USA made, so that's really nice. You can put together your own set or anything like that. And then coming soon in December, sometime this month, they will be releasing their new dead blow hammers, which will be made in the USA. Right now, all of their hammers, I believe, are made in Taiwan. And then last up is just apparel. I know I have a lot of people asking me in my videos where I got my apparel from. They do now sell it. They don't sell the hat specifically, the one I have, but they did release a new hat, which is available in 2 colors. And then they got their hoodie and shirt and all of that. So you can get it in the standard gray, or you can get it in the red. Right now, they are out of stock. But what's really nice is you can click this, enter your email, and any item that is out of stock, you'll be instantly notified whenever they are re-released or new products are in stock. So that's really nice. But once again, I have absolutely loved Tekton. I absolutely love how they keep releasing new and better tools, and they listen to their customers. It's fantastic. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please drop a comment down below. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time.